Hello kids, welcome back to our e-class of general knowledge. Today we will study about in and out. So let's begin the chapter with me, your general knowledge teacher Pinky Mole. In today's class, we are going to learn about your favorite topic, that is games. We all love to play games in the park and also inside the house. Let's know more about the games. What is a game? Game is an activity that makes one feel happy and is played for fun and amusement. Games are an important part of human life. Games keep us healthy and active. Games are divided into two parts: indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor games. Some games are played inside a house or room. Such games are called indoor games. Some indoor games are chess, table tennis, carom, ludo, etc. Indoor games are very beneficial as they develop and improve the child's intelligence and imagination. Kids also learn to be more curious and expressive. Let us now know more about the indoor games. Chess. Chess is a well-known game all over the world. It is a game of mind. It is played on a square board with 64 black and white squares. It is played by two players. Table tennis. Table tennis, also known as ping pong, is one of the most popular sports in the world, with players in many countries. It is played by 2 or 4 people on a table. To play this game, people use bats and small light balls. You need also a net and a table. Carom. Carom is a tabletop game which originates from India. It is played on a square polished plywood board with a striker made of hard plastic and small circular wooden pieces. Ludo. Ludo is a type of board game for 2 to 4 players. It is played by rolling the dice. There are 4 colors like red, green, blue and yellow. Outdoor games. Outdoor games are played outside in an open area. Some outdoor games are hockey, cricket, football, golf, etc. Outdoor games requires a large space area or a park or a garden. Let us know more about the outdoor games. Cricket, a game played on a large field with bats, ball, and wickets by two teams of 11 players. Hockey. Hockey is a national game, a team game played with a stick and a ball. In this game too, like cricket, there are two teams. Each team consists of 11 players. But in this game, both teams are in the field during the play. Football. A football game is played between two teams of 11 players each. A team scores points by moving a ball across the other team's goal line. Golf. Golf is an outdoor sport played with clubs and a small ball. It is played on a large grassy area called a course. Activity. Read the clues below. Fill in the missing letters to name the indoor games. Use the clue box for help. First question. A board game with 64 black and white squares. That is chess. C-H-E-S-S. Chess. Second question. Played on a board made of wood. That is carom. C-A-R-R-O-M. Carom. Third question. A board game for 2 to 4 players. It is played by rolling the dice. Yes, that is Ludo. L-U-D-O. Ludo. Fourth question. Played across a table using a small light ball. The game is also called ping pong. That is, yes, table tennis. T-A-B-L-E. Table tennis. T-E-N-N-I-S. Tennis. Table tennis. A bat and a ball game. Each team has 11 players. Yes, cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. Next question. A team game played with a stick and a ball. That is hockey. H-O-C-K-E-Y. Hockey. Third question. A team game which is played by kicking a ball to score a goal. That is, yes, football. F-O-O-T-B-A-L-L. Football. Fourth question. The game is played in a green field called a course. That is golf. 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 Here we come towards the end of our today's class. I hope today's class and topic are clear to you. You can note down your queries. If you face any difficulties in understanding, we will clear it in our next section. Thank you.